Hello guys! Good noon or good afternoon. I want to show you this little bird from England. Ito po yung pheasant sa England, yung wild birds. Ito po is partridge. Tawag partridge. Sa mga probinsya siguro, pugo siguro ang tawag nito. Ito naman, ano siya, peasant siya. Peasant. Yung P-H-A-C-A peasants. Peasant. N-T. Kasi, yan ang spelling. Ang gagawin ko dito, ito katatanggal ko lang siya sa bag niya kasi binili namin to sa butcher. Normally, couple years ago, nag-ano kami dito, bali, namamaril po kami. Hindi naman namamaril, bali, you can go to the place that they shoot them. Actually, they're not really wild kasi inalagaan nila to nung maliit pa. Tapos, bali, papalakihin, then i-spread sila sa kagubatan, then yun, parang ano siya, yung shooting event. Pero ito, inalagaan nila, tapos yung parang chicken siya, parang manok na alagaan mo, tapos pag ready na silang ibenta, yan, lilinisan nila. Pareho lang po paglinis ng manok, ganun din paglinis nito. So ngayon, bali, lalagyan ko sila ng tubig kasi hugasan ko dahil i-roast ko sila. Ganun lang po ka simple paano iluto. Bali, i-roast lang po sila. Yun ang gusto ko, roast. Pero dito, kung gusto mo, yung iba, sa mga British, pinipilit nila yan, fillet. Yan, you have to cut the breast, that boning, become a boneless. Pero I like it, in my way, I like it roast. So, you know, more tasty. The bone, the whole bird is intact, so more tasty. Because if I fillet it and cook it in different way, well, it's up to you, but I prepare myself a whole birds to cook as roasting. So running a bit of water, you know, just like that. Then when it dry up a little bit, ito yung vegetable fry, mix vegetable fry. Yan. So yun ang vegetable niya. Lalagyan natin siya ng, need to put some, spread some oh dear. Oh, excuse me, I'm sneezing. So I had to put some Himalayan salt. There's a Himalayan salt. Himalayan salt. Yeah, sprinkled with Himalayan salt. Then after that, I can spread some butter. Yeah. It's quite a lot. Then we got some butter. But this butter is quite very hard butter because it's been in the fridge. So I'm going to get some butter. Okay. Oops. Don't worry, because yeah. So I'm gonna leave it on top for a while until the butter is melting, because the butter is quite frozen. That's so hard. So I'm gonna wash my hand. It's got salt. So what I need to do is do some onions. So guys, so I have to cut some onions. Spread it here. And where's the garlic? So that's it. So like that, and then oil. Put that oil too. Sorry guys, so I did spread some olive oil as well. So now I need to bring this in here. Oh. Okay. You go. So that's the my birds. Now it's ready to put in the oven. That's it. Simple lang siya. Ito po is, the little bird is called partridge and pheasant. So this is between me and my husband. This is a kind of food. Then we're having a with potato and this mixed vegetable. So that's our dinner for later on, for dinner night or for tea. Yan po ang aming pagkain sa England. Yan po ay local na birds, not chicken but look like chicken. You can Google what is pheasant and partridge in UK. Thank you po. Salamat sa pagpanood ng aking video. And the more you subscribe and like my video, I will show you more living or how I live in UK, ang buhay ko dito sa England. I'll show you. Okay guys,